Now, situate the problem, okay? Look at the data that they presented. Actually, pre-pandemic, it's already prevalent. The use of this file sharing site is already prevalent, but compounded during the pandemic. And what are we doing about it as educators? Okay, so situate the problem, no? It's not only pre-pandemic or during the pandemic. So I think we need to confront ourselves with these issues. It's only now that because it's glaring that, okay, I think we should stop and say, okay, are our assessments still reliable and valid? And now, while I was preparing this talk, I said, wow, what are the measures that we need to take so that we can arrest this problem, especially for the students that enrolled in our classes? And now I'm confronted by ethical concerns. Ethics in the academe, respect for intellectual property rights of the owner of the IP. Okay, it's not only the contracted service. A simple copy pasting from a website is already a violation of intellectual property. But how prevalent is this in our schools? So the question now is, how are we transforming and molding our learners? The person is not only an intellectual person, cognitive, no? Are we transforming and molding our learners only in that aspect? But they are a person, a complete person, holistic person, body, soul, and spirit. Are we handling the ethics in our courses very well? Are we transforming and molding our learners to be holistic individuals? I think these are the questions that we need to confront ourselves. Is cheating prevalent? How do we ensure as teachers and as HEI that our students have achieved the learning outcomes for the course and for the respective degree programs? So they pass our courses and eventually they get their degrees. What sort of individuals have we produced? And I quote from Hill et al. 2021, universities and academics worldwide have had to find solutions to plagiarism and are familiar with the existence of ghostwriting services for assessments. And the highlights are mine. So find solutions. And then Lancaster et al. 2021, and I quote, the unsupervised nature of assessment, including exams, may mean that students have had increased temptation to cheat or may have felt that the support that would usually have available was not there, end of quote. So there are two aspects here that we need to give emphasis to, which will be the next two parts of my presentation. It's in finding solutions and providing the support to be able to design and implement those solutions.